Air Steril technology addresses a problem that current air purification machines are confronted with. Air circulates in a random manner. Even with ventilation systems, it is impossible to predict exactly how air moves. This means stagnant air masses are regularly present. It can take hours or even days for them to move and pass through a filtration system. Air contains a combination of particulates, pollutants and pathogens. It is important to treat them all. Current air purification systems are based on a common principle. The air must pass through their machines to be cleaned. Unfortunately, they are dependent on the random displacement of stagnant air masses. These machines may claim to treat large volumes of air in rapid time, but air already purified can be repeatedly pulled back into the unit and reprocessed, whilst other air remains completely untreated. Put simply, conventional air purifiers cannot guarantee that a room is purified in its entirety. Air Steril has solved this problem because the air in the room does not necessarily have to pass through the machine body in order to be effectively purified. Air Steril technology works as follows. Air is pulled into the Air Steril device, either via thermal convection or a built-in product fan. Inside the unit, contaminated air is subjected to germicidal UVC rays, ultraviolet light which kills or inactivates microorganisms by disrupting their DNA, thus destroying their vital functions. This includes viruses, bacteria, molds and fungi. As air moves through the catalyst-coated baffles, free OH radicals are produced. These eliminate odorous pollutants, breaking them down to harmless carbon dioxide and water. The super-purified air then leaves the machine in the form of plasma quattro, which includes negative ions and low-level ozone. It is not only clean, but is itself energized cleaning air which distributes to every corner of the area. The negative ions act like a magnet to particulates in the air, causing them to stick together and fall to the ground. As the air distributes, ozone, or O3, seeks to revert to the more stable form of oxygen, O2, so will transmit its third oxygen atom to any contaminant encountered along the way, oxidizing and destroying pollutants, leaving a fresh, pleasant environment. This combination of Air Steril technology constantly reduces contamination, both in the air and on all surfaces throughout a room, whilst remaining completely safe for people. A clean, fresh and pleasant environment, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, with the best possible protection from microorganisms, allergens, harmful organic compounds and unpleasant odours.